Climbing tea roses are some of the most beautiful and fragrant flowers you can grow in your garden. These roses are perfect for creating a stunning focal point against walls, fences, or trellises. Growing climbing tea roses requires some care and attention, but the result is a spectacular display of color and fragrance. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to grow climbing tea roses. Choose the right location. Climbing tea roses need a sunny location with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a spot with good air circulation to prevent disease. Avoid planting near trees or other plants that can compete for nutrients. Choose the right variety. Choose a variety of climbing tea rose that is suitable for your climate and the space you have available. Consider the mature height and spread of the plant, as well as the color and fragrance of the flowers. Prepare the soil. Climbing tea roses need well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Prepare the soil by digging a hole that is twice as wide and deep as the root ball. Add compost or well-rotted manure to the soil to improve fertility and drainage. Plant the rose. Place the rose in the hole and backfill with soil, tamping down lightly to remove any air pockets. Make a shallow well around the plant to hold water. Water the plant thoroughly, and add a layer of mulch around the base to help retain moisture. Provide support. Climbing tea roses need a strong support structure to grow against. Install a trellis, fence, or other structure that is sturdy enough to support the weight of the plant. Train the rose to grow up the support structure by tying it to the trellis or fence with soft twine. Watering. Water the plant deeply once a week, and more often in hot weather. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can lead to fungal disease. Water the plant at the base to encourage deep root growth. Fertilizing. Feed the rose once a month during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to weak growth and poor flower production. Pruning. Prune the rose in late winter or early spring to encourage vigorous growth and flowering. Remove any dead or damaged wood, and cut back any side shoots to 3 to 5 buds. Train the main stem of the rose to grow up the support structure. By following these steps, you can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of climbing tea roses in your own garden. With proper care and attention, your climbing tea rose will thrive and provide a stunning display for years to come.